Oh my gosh, I can't. Hey everybody, it's your girl JJ Lollipop coming at you with another Get Ready With Me. Hey guys, what's up? I haven't posted in 3 weeks ago. I'm so sorry. I literally said I'm gonna get on my grind this year. Finals was driving me insane. Like, I'm not even kidding when I tell you, I almost did. I started like doing a finals week vlog because I wanted to, like, you know, make some content. Maybe if I vlogged I would not lose my mind, but I'm bringing vlogs back. I was talking to Pola about this. We're gonna bring Jessica and Pola vlogs back. I'm gonna do so many more Get Ready With Me's. I had like winter ball last weekend and stuff, and I filmed like a whole Get Ready With Me on my camera, and then I like watched like some of the clips back, and I was like, I today I'm doing a Get Ready With Me because it was highly requested by 2 people. So I'm gonna do one just for you two. My makeup has like not been makeuping very well recently, so I watched like some tutorials and I'm just gonna like mix them all together and try that. But basically, okay guys, no, but I've been trying to like wear less makeup on weekends because for some reason whenever I wear makeup on weekends I always like forget to take it off. And I also, for like the past 3 days, I've been sleeping with my makeup on, so as you can see my skin has not been liking that. I also for like the past 2 weeks have not been washing my face or doing anything. I went so out of it, but I'm getting back into it. I washed my face today and I did some skincare, and hopefully in 2 weeks this will be gone. Actually, I know it's not gonna take 2 weeks, but also my eyelashes on this eye have like all started to fall out. Like this eye, okay, you can't really tell right now because like they're like not curled, but like when I do my mascara you'll like be able to tell. This eye is like voluminous, it's like thick, it's nicer, and then this eye is just like, also like my inner eyelashes on this one, they're just not there. And I started using castor oil again, and when I say started I mean I put it on last night, because I used to use it like every night for so long, and my eyelashes got so long, they were healthy, they were thick, and then I started sleeping with mascara on again. But first, I don't know why this eye didn't like take the toll as much. Like this eye is still like pretty cute. This one, she's gone through it. Let's begin. My new lash curler, I have no clue where it's from. It like, I just have it. My mom bought it for me. And it doesn't rip out my eyelashes like my other one does. Thank God. Why am I talking like that? I've done like 3 times. Jessica, what are you doing? Jessica is like, why am I referring to myself as Jessica? Guys. The Get Ready With Me I did last weekend that I never posted because it was so bad. I was like, I'm gonna give you guys an in-depth lash tutorial because I never give you guys an in-depth lash tutorial because I like, one reason is because I change it so much, and 2 is because I low-key wanted to gatekeep for a little bit. See, look, when I curl it, like there's like nothing there. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna give you guys an in-depth lash tutorial today. Wait, why don't I just do like a makeup tutorial? Because I haven't done like an actual tutorial in so long. I just do my makeup and say, I'm gonna do this off camera. I'm not a gatekeeping queen anymore. Okay, let's do an in-depth makeup tutorial. No! I messed it up. Guys, I'm so bad at giving a tutorial. That's something that's like different about me now and my like old tutorials is I remember in 8th grade, I would like never actually wear makeup. Like I just had like random stuff around the house or like stuff that my mom gave me, and I'd act like I just poked my eyes. Like I'd act like I know what I was talking about, but I was just like yapping. And I would be like, okay guys, now you're gonna have to do this and like use this mascara. I was just like, literally didn't even know what I was talking about. But now I'm like real with you guys. My mascara changes so much. Like I used to use this tubing mascara that I love with my whole heart, but this is the only one I have and I don't want to waste it, so now I only use it for important events and not weekend makeup or school makeup. School makeup routine is we have the Sky High, which I actually have 2 of these because my mom got like a deal or something, and then I also have Lash Sensational, and I use Sky High first, which I know a lot of people are like, use the volumizing mascara first. No, I'm good. And then what I do is I close my eyes and I put it on the top. if you're not in a rush and you want your mascara to look good, be as messy with it as you need to be, okay? Because honestly, it always looks better when you have to like clean it up after. Like if your eyelid is completely black, then you know that when you're gonna clean it, your mascara is gonna look fire. All right, now that I've done that, Lash Sensational Maybelline, and see how like they look voluminous. I'm gonna go do my other eye and clean it up, and I'll show you guys the result. I'm back. To start with moisturizing, you always gotta moisturize your face. I got my Goldie Drops, put those there, and then I take the Laneige Blue Hyaluronic Gel Moisturizer. It's like almost empty. I really need to restock my moisturizers. They're all like dead. Next, now that my face is all prepped, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow. Okay, I don't know why people like whenever they put it on, they do it in such a satisfying way, but for me, it doesn't do that. Like, it does not look as cute. Blend, blend, blend. I actually really like this. Like, I was always debating about buying it because I was like, I've seen so many mixed reviews where everybody's like, no, it's like not worth the hype, because it's like, it's a very popular product. Like, I've seen it everywhere, and I wanted to get it for the longest time, but they were always like sold out everywhere I went. But when they finally had it, I was like, should I buy it? Like, would it be worth it? I like desperately needed a skin tint at that time too. I like had no makeup. So then I decided to get it, and like low-key worth it. I think it's worth the hype in my opinion. It does make me look like a little greasy, but like that's nothing a little powder can't fix. Okay, next is Rare Beauty Concealer. I love this concealer. Wearing natural makeup, I honestly like it so much more. I remember at the beginning of the school year, for some reason, I was wearing like full beat to school every single day. And like, I genuinely don't know why. Like, it one, made my skin worse. Two, so much effort, and I like didn't even look that good. Like, I know that a lot of people like wearing a full beat and they like, it looks good on them. Not me. Next is bronzer. I'm gonna use the Pixie bronzer always. I love this bronzer so much. I feel like it's like natural looking, it's moisturizing, it blends so well. To be fair, it's the only like bronzer I've tried besides powder bronzer. It's definitely my favorite cream bronzer. I feel like it just blends like so easy, and it like looks like natural. Like, it doesn't look like too much ever. Next is blush. Color I use is Joy. I definitely want to get more though, because I like this one a lot, but I want to try like the other colors. This is definitely the color that looks best on me, which is why I bought this one. I put very minimal because I don't want to like waste it. I've stopped using this on like everyday makeup because it's like so nice and I don't want to waste it. So I use like Benetint for school and stuff because I feel like Benetint to me isn't real makeup. Okay, now I'm gonna set. I'm gonna spray first. This setting spray is magic. All-nighter. I don't even have to wear primer and it makes me last like so much longer. Setting powder is Maybelline. I finally like got a new one. I used to use the same one 6th grade, and I cleaned that thing dry. Like, when I tell you there's nothing in that right now, I like had to buy a new one. But for like the first 2 of those 3 years, I didn't really use it that often, which is probably why it lasted me so long. This is Bare Minerals. I actually freaking love Bare Minerals. I feel like it's a very underrated brand. They're I used to use their like skin tint. It wasn't a skin tint, it was a tinted moisturizer, which is like basically the same thing as a skin tint, but I used to use that like a bunch and I loved it. It was so good. Maybe I'm just like stupid and I miss it, but like I never see Bare Minerals like being talked about enough. Okay, now I'm gonna spray my face again, and then let's do highlighter. Highlighter I'm gonna use is from my KKW Beauty palette. I love this thing so much. I think, isn't Kim Kardashian like doing more makeup now? Or like skincare brand? It's like Skin by Kim. She's eating with that. Look how like this, I'm not even kidding, out of like all of like the eyeshadows and highlighters I've tried, this is the best one. It's so pigmented and it like is such a pretty color. Like, even the ones I've seen that are similar color do not look like this at all. So I love so much about it. You can also tell how much I love it based on how out of all of these colors it's like used. Okay, lip liner time. Out of all of like the Benetint stuff, like the Love Tint, Play Tint or whatever, I think the OG is by far my favorite, because I have the Love Tint and the Benetint, but I've tried like the other ones, and this is definitely like just my favorite. Okay, and then a lip liner. I don't know where I put my Summer Fridays lip thing. Like, I just bought it and I've already lost it, and I'm really sad about that. Let's go to some hair. So I have never like been able to do straightener curls on my hair, but my lovely friend Ellie sent me a tutorial on how she does them, and her hair always looks amazing. So we're gonna try that today. So if these look bad, Ellie, it's your fault. I'm just kidding. I think I did it wrong. So the straightener curls didn't work. I mean, it doesn't look like bad. No, it does look bad. It looked like Utah curls a little bit too, and I am sorry, but I am a hater of Utah curls. I don't care what people say. So I'm whipping out the clamp. I'm gonna curl my hair with this because I actually know how to curl my hair with a clamp, and it always eats. So let me go do that. Okay, gang, I just curled my hair with a clamp. I haven't brushed it out yet, but it already looks better than the straightener curls. I'm sorry. I tried so hard with the straightener curls, and I tried to like them, but they're just not for me. They're just not my thing. Final look. I'll do a fit check. This top I stole from my mom. I don't know where it's from. It's like hers from like the 90s. This pants, these are Brandy. And then I need to fix my cross necklace. It's like been broken. Earrings are also from my mommy. And yeah. Oh, also, if you're wondering what curling iron I use the Hot Tools. Can't remember the exact name of it. I think it's 1¼ inch. Okay, bye guys. Like, subscribe, comment. I love you all so much. Have the best day ever. I'm gonna start vlogging again, so get hyped. Get so super hyped for JJ Lollipop vlogs coming back. I don't know why I'm screaming. I'm gonna go clean. I have so much cleaning to do today. Oh my goodness. But I hope you enjoyed this video. To the people who requested it, you're welcome. To the people who didn't request it, let me know what you guys want to see. Give me some video ideas. I can't do peace while I'm holding this mic. Okay, love you guys. Bye.